Good morning, Myron Redding here again with an update to my root over rock ficus that I've been growing for about 20 years. This started as a cutting, and I got from a wild, I think it's a banyan of some sort, a banyan tree of some sort. But you can see how the roots have really just expanded and grown down into the soil. And I have it over a piece of featherstone, which is a type of volcanic rock. And I just added some turface with some pine bark mixed into the soil composition. Now I'm going to just let it grow, and I'm just going to back up and let you get a good look at it. This tree I have had all these years, and it has been in this bonsai pot, this shallow pot, for about 2 years. It's actually been growing well. As you can see, I've done a little bit of mild pruning on the tree this morning. I took off some of the extra large leaves. That sometimes that happens. The older leaves get bigger, but eventually they'll fall. But anyhow, this is a tropical tree. I live in North Florida, and I just wanted to show. You can see I have some cross wires just pulling some branches down. It's not necessary to always wire these types of trees. They grow fast, and the wire will cut. And you can see where I've had some damage from wire cutting before. But anyhow, it's a great little tree. It's actually one of my first, when I first started into bonsai in the late 1990s. This was one of the first trees that I took as a cutting, and one of my successful cuttings. Well, thank you for viewing. Myron Redding out.